everyone, and welcome back to my YouTube channel once again. Today I will be showing you viewers how I basically fix my lace frontal wigs onto my cornrows sewn down. This wig can last for about 3 weeks to 1 month without going to the bedroom and taking
as you
can see, this wig is looking natural. That is how I like my wigs to look like. I also will be showing you viewers in the next video how I made this lace wig frontal wig, and also how I plucked my hairline to receive this amazing natural looking frontal hairline. I just wanted to say that I have on 4 bundles of 24 inches Vietnamese raw virgin hair from the Raw Virgin Hair Boutique, as well as a 16-inch matching natural wavy Vietnamese frontal to match my bundles, and dyed into jet black and straightened to achieve this glossy silky look that you viewers are looking at. This hair is really good quality hair, and this hair has been reused about 3 times. This is the 4th time I'm reusing it, and I just will leave the link in the description box down below, as well as coupon codes, so if you are interested you can check them out. I just wanted to say that I've seen so many videos going around YouTube how to basically have your lace frontal wigs sewn down or wigs glued down with the stocking cap method, and this is the stocking cap method. Hope you viewers will enjoy this video. If you have any questions, do not forget to leave in the comment section down below. Do not forget to subscribe and like my video and share my video if you really do like it. Today I will be showing you viewers how I basically fix my wig on using the famous stocking cap method, and the stocking cap I'll be using is this brown stocking cap I got from the beauty supply store, and this is the wig I made by myself. I have a wig tutorial. This is a lace frontal wig, so as you can see, the frontal, the elastic band and the webs have been sewn at the back of the I have a tutorial step-by-step method of how I pluck my hairline and also how I make the wig. I will be uploading the video as well after I upload this video. So today I will be showing you viewers how I fix my wig to look really realistic, so stay tuned. To dry my stocking cap, so now what I will do is to be applying my makeup to blend my skin tone. Off camera I had to apply my ghost bunny glue around my hairline, and basically I have to wait for it to dry, then reapply before I basically put on my wig. Before I put on my wig, I'll just go ahead and cut the lace off camera. on YouTube, the wax stick. This basically prevents your flyaways from showing. And let me show you, I've already used it for customers. So now if you want your lace frontal wig or your lace wig looking natural, because a lot of people on YouTube have their frontal wigs or their full lace wigs looking really natural, especially when they have a side parting or a middle parting. So if you're wondering what they are making the hair look in the way that it looks, they use the Care brand, which is like 15 British pounds sterling on Amazon or eBay or even Care websites. But I found out that the Tony & Guy wax stick is the same thing and it does the same job. So instead of spending 15 British pounds sterling, I spent 6 British pounds sterling on this. So this is the wax stick, this is how it looks like, and I know my hair is looking a bit weird at the moment, but do not worry. And this is the comb straightener. You don't need to have this. You really do not need to have it. I make lots of wigs for clients, so I make sure this is really hot. Make sure you don't burn your face in the process of doing it. Just make sure you don't burn your face. Because I know a lot of people have been asking me, how do I make my frontals look so natural? And now it's time for baby hair. Gel my baby hair down with mousse before applying the glue. In that way I know the type of baby hair I'm going for. I don't really have a big forehead, so I just have to be very careful and just use a little bit of the ultra glued Invincible. And I prefer the black ones to the yellow ones, just because the black ones I believe is stronger than the yellow ones. So this is me applying the glued styling gel. This is a styling gel, but it serves as a glue and it can last for up to a week.